Hey everybody, I'm Mike.
This is Geo Blader.
Geo's going to be doing most of the experiment with you today, so I'm actually going to duck out and Geo is going to walk through an amazing experiment that you can do to show some photosynthesis. Are you ready?
Yep, let's go. So this leaf makes photosynthesis, and photosynthesis makes oxygen for exchange. You can't see the oxygen, but we're going to show you the oxygen with water. And we need sunlight, lots of sunlight. I have two leaves. This one I'm going to put in sunlight. This one is my control. I'm going to do nothing to it. And I'm going to cover them with water. So if I do it right now, which I've got to. Now they might float, but as long as you get some of it with water, that's fine. This one's going to be in sunlight. This one's going to be in the shade. So I have this one outside, and if photosynthesis happens, I'm keeping this out for 2 hours. That should be long enough for photosynthesis to happen. The little bubbles you saw was photosynthesis letting out oxygen. This is a really fun experiment at home. You can do this with any plant, a tree, a bush, anything, as long as it's a plant. So, bye guys. Have a science-filled day.